Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Plants vs. Zombies Fusion. This innovative fan-made game takes the beloved tower defense experience and adds an exciting twist. You'll discover a groundbreaking plant fusion system, letting you combine classic plants into powerful new hybrids. This fresh approach redefines how you defend your lawn against the zombie horde, offering a truly unique and engaging adventure for both new and veteran players. The core of Fusion lies in its innovative plant combination system. You can merge two plants to form a powerful hybrid, unlocking special attacks and defenses. Plus, with unlimited sun, you have complete freedom to experiment with countless defensive layouts. Prepare to encounter over 50 unique hybrid zombies, each demanding adaptive strategies to protect your brains. This adds immense depth to every battle. Plants vs. Zombies Fusion offers a variety of engaging game modes to test your skills. Dive into adventure mode, journeying through diverse worlds with escalating difficulty. For a true test of grit, survival mode throws endless zombie waves your way. Challenge mode presents unique scenarios and puzzles, rewarding clever tactics. With over 200 plant combinations, strategic possibilities are vast. So, which is better? Plants vs. Zombies Fusion elevates the classic experience with significantly enhanced strategic depth. The freedom to create hybrid plants and utilize unlimited sun resources allows for unparalleled creativity in your defenses. It offers a fresh, engaging, and more complex challenge than the original, making it a compelling choice for players seeking new ways to enjoy the beloved Plants vs. Zombies universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.